Welcome back MH Car Review. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most luxurious, futuristic, and jaw-dropping motorhomes ever created. This isn't just a vehicle. This is a moving luxury mansion, a double-decker palace on wheels that looks like it came straight from the future. Inspired by ultra-premium design language and crafted with extreme attention to detail, this RV promises comfort, style, and technology at a level most people have never seen. So let's begin our detailed review and explore its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you notice is its commanding presence. The massive front end looks bold and elegant, with a gold-accented grille that resembles the luxury standards of high-end automotive brands. The LED headlights are razor-sharp, giving the front a modern and aggressive character. The body is sculpted with clean lines and smooth curves, creating a perfect balance between size and sophistication. LED strips run along the lower edges, adding a futuristic glow, especially at night. The double-decker design is what truly sets it apart. Large panoramic windows, an elevated upper suite, and a seamless integration of two levels make it look like a premium penthouse on wheels. Even the entrance steps are illuminated, giving a VIP experience every time you step inside. This exterior doesn't just look luxurious, it announces luxury from every angle. Now let's step inside, and this is where the real magic begins. The interior feels like a five-star hotel suite blended with a private jet cabin. Warm lighting, luxurious leather seating, and gold accents create an ambiance that instantly feels rich and relaxing. The main lounge area offers reclining seats, a massive entertainment system, and huge windows that make the entire space feel open and airy. The kitchen is fully loaded with high-end appliances, marble-style countertops, and smart storage solutions that maximize space beautifully. Moving to the upper deck, you get a private bedroom suite with a king-size bed, soft-touch materials, and full privacy panels. Some configurations even include a mini office, gaming area, or lounge space. The bathroom looks like something out of a luxury spa, glass shower, premium fixtures, and mood lighting that elevates the entire experience. Every corner is crafted with premium materials, making it feel like you're living inside a luxury apartment rather than a vehicle. When it comes to performance, this massive RV is built to deliver smooth, stable, and powerful driving. It typically uses a high-capacity diesel engine designed to carry heavy loads with ease. Despite its size, the suspension system is engineered for maximum comfort, reducing bumps and vibrations on long trips. Advanced driving aids such as 360-degree cameras, lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic leveling systems help make driving and parking much easier than you would expect from a vehicle of this scale. It's not built for high speed, it's built for luxury travel, stability, and effortless long-distance touring. Finally, let's talk about price. A vehicle of this size and luxury doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization, features, and region, an ultra-luxury double-deck motorhome like this can cost anywhere from $1.5 million to over $3 million. Fully customized versions with exclusive interiors, premium entertainment systems, and special finishes can go even higher. This is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a luxury investment, and a status symbol for those who want the best travel experience money can buy. So that was our complete review of this incredible luxury motorhome. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown and want more futuristic vehicle reviews, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching MH Car Review.